welcome to this traffic and funnel domination community, yeah, high performance Facebook ad and funnel workshop community. Dosto, today is really important. Well, you know why this is important because welcome all the dostos to high performance Facebook ad and funnel workshop or master class traffic and funnel domination. Your host Datta Tule आपका सबका स्वागत करता है. You know, guys, currently is the Sri Ganesha in all India, all Maharashtra going on. So first of all, सबको the best wishes in your life and business so that you can grow your business, get customer, dominate online, dominate advertising, get sales and win online. Today's this is the exclusive biggest announcement I am doing to all of the members. The first thing, धन्यवाद फॉर बीइंग हियर बिकॉज यू हैव टुक वन स्टेप, अपने एक स्टेप लिया है. मैं दिल से धन्यवाद मानता हूँ सब लोगों का. नाउ some of you might already attended my workshop, master class. Thank you very much for that one. Today I'm like announcing you like bounce back series of AskDattaShow high performance marketing school strategies to win online. See now, let me tell you from my bottom of heart, if you are watching this live, just say hi in the comment box. You know, the online world or online growth or business growth is not about only Facebook ad or funnel. ये बस Facebook ad और only tool से limited नहीं है. Because there is a huge other strategies that you need to know, or you might know already, but you need to understand in order to make this goal or make this successful online marketing in your business or success. Like let me share some ideas here. What we are going to cover in upcoming sessions. First of all, I'm planning at least 2 sessions, 2 to 3 sessions every week. मैं करने का plan कर रहा हूँ. First, I will be sharing you groundbreaking new strategies like Facebook Book of Law or strategies, what's working, what's not working. Hi everyone, thank you very much for being here. You can type in comment box if you can see me. Hi Nitin, thank you very much. Great to have you here. If you can see me, just type in comment box, guys. Great to have, because I'm just sharing some important stuff here. Hi Nitin, thank you very much. Other members, see, let me tell you one thing here. What we are going to cover in this show. This show is not about me. This show is about you, my audiences, my group members, community members, and aspiring entrepreneurs or marketers who want to grow, dominate, and crush. So what we are going to cover, I have realized 4 to 5 areas. First thing, beside this marketing or funneling part, so many people don't have clarity about their product, solution and offering. कि बॉस आपका जो प्रोडक्ट है, सोल्यूशन है, सर्विसेज है, कोचिंग है, डिजिटल है, फिजिकल, डजेंट मैटर. What problem you solve uniquely and unique way. So what I will be creating, like I will come with the new topics like coaching, consulting, e-commerce, digital marketing, freelancing, network marketing, or real estate. It can be anything. I will come with the topic by topic each week, or we can just share the common strategy with my successful student. First part. Second part, I have realized you need to have powerful skills of sales and conversion, guys. Before even you start to run advertising on the Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, doesn't matter. The second skill is really important, powerful, is sales and conversion skills, because only generating lead or customer is not, like only generating lead or running ad is one piece of the puzzle. The second piece of puzzle is sales and conversion. How do you dominate your selling part, converting, handling objection and other part so that you can get higher ROI? How many of you agree with me on this point? Second pillar of your business or the marketing or whatever you are doing, the sales and conversion. And third pillar is, now you can come on the paid advertising, because you can get few clients, 10 clients, first 10 clients, 20 clients organically, reference, Facebook strategies, YouTube strategies, absolutely free, that I teach in my community as well, so that you can master sales and conversion. Third piece of puzzle that we are going to really focus on in high performance show or this like high performance marketing school show or with AskDattaShow is marketing domination, especially online marketing, Facebook advertising, Instagram, or let's talk about YouTube as well. Down the line, I will be talking about the primary thing, Facebook domination plus Instagram domination. How do you start from the scratch with minimum budget and dominate, because there is a huge journey, guys. It's not about 10-minute, 15-minute, one day job. There's a huge world. People are making millions of dollars or rupees by learning properly and running those ads. So you need to start with the minimum budget, following Facebook book of law. Yesterday like I cover Facebook book of law. सही तरीके से आपको advertising करना पड़ेगा. Suppose first pillar or first puzzle I talk about like the unique positioning and your product and solution offering. Second was sales and conversion. Third, the marketing domination 24/7. And I have realized the people stuck at the fourth stage. The fourth stage is all about like optimizing your or machine, and scale up is really important. You need to master, right? How many people believe that one? After you start the business or marketing, whatever you do, you start making some money, start getting customer. In order to win, हमें dominate करना है, win करना है, तो what we need to have? Optimize your machine, review the complete whole business, what's working, what's not working, and जो working हो रहा है उसको scale up कैसे करें, उसको double कैसे करें, triple कैसे करें, मतलब 10x, 2x, 3x, like 2x, 3x, 4x, 5x, 10x कैसे करें. That is important, and that's how you will differentiate your business in the marketing world to grow. Like what I have realized, I was making that mistake. When we get the started business, we say make some money. What we do, we spend that money in the personal life or buying fancy subject. Instead of that one, we have to use feedback loop. I mean to say you have to reinvest money in the business. Suppose you start with 1,000 rupees advertising, but 1,000 rupees advertising is not going to make you $1 million, right? So slowly you invest 1,000 rupees, make 2,000 rupees, make 2,000 rupees, invest 3,000 rupees, make 10,000 rupees, invest 10, like whatever, like that is a feedback loop, right? I spend 25,000 rupees per day right now. I also make 10 times, right? So that you need to know the numbers, the statistics, the scale up and skills. That is really important part, and that we are going to cover in the fourth piece of puzzle in the growth. Now there is a fifth pillar as well. I have realized. I hope कि आप में से बहुत सारे लोग agree करेंगे, right? How many people agree? Now you have the number one sales skills, number one marketing skills. You know how to do scale up, optimize. You know आपका जो product, solution, services है, that is solving the problem. Can anybody type in comment box? What can be the fifth pillar to become a kick-ass entrepreneur, high-performance marketer, dominate? Doesn't matter what you are doing. Anyone here, like you people who are live here, what is that fifth piece? What is that fifth piece? The fifth piece of the puzzle is, दोस्तों, दिमाग. 80% game is your mind game. अब उसको बोलते हैं न्यू पैराडाइग्राम, like a new world view, new strategy. That will differentiate you and your competition, your product, solution, services and marketing, because we have to invest continuously in learning. जो आपके competition है, they will sleep somewhere, and if you learn, you will be 2 steps ahead. Are you agree with me on this point? Just type in comment box below. So what I mean to say, daily learning, having mentorship, working on your health set, working on your communication, public speaking, body health, mind, eating, sleeping, because sleep more to win. So the second part is like I was talking about mindset, productivity, personal development. That is also really important, and that will be your foundation. What is, guys? That will be your foundation, because not only Facebook ads, marketing, sales and conversion, office is not going to help only that part. So we'll be covering that up part. Like I will be sharing behind the scene what I do in my business to really achieve great success. How do I manage my team? How do I, what kind of tools I use? क्या कौन से formula है, like for money management, for team management, for productivity management. Let me share some of them. How many people want to see that one? Let me share my screen. Just type in comment box BIO. How many people to see like what kind of tools I use, etc. Let me just share, if I can share the screen here quickly. Yeah, like let me just share the screen here. Here we go. And meantime, if you are agreeing with you on this point, let me recap before I go. I think I'm not getting option here for sharing, but yeah, distribution. Yeah, here we go. Interactive. So what we are going to do basically, like let me recap all of this. Key boss. First of all, guys, we are almost coming to the end of the 2021. and we can gear up for the 2022 domination basically. So I share the 5 pillars or 5 piece of puzzle. First, your product solution niche offering clarity that we cover in our जो funnel building secret होता है वो क्यों जरूरी है, because you need to have proof of concept before you run advertising. Second was really powerful sales and conversion skills. Third, I talk about like third part was all about like how do you like start पेड एडवर्टाइजिंग बिसाइड योर ऑर्गेनिकली पेड ऑर्गेनिक एडवर्टाइजिंग के साथ में आप पेड एडवर्टाइजिंग कैसे कॉम्बिनेशन कर सकते हैं सो दैट यू कैन स्टार्ट गेटिंग फास्टर रिजल्ट. पेड एडवर्टाइजिंग इज फास्टर रिजल्ट. लाइक लेट्स टॉक अबाउट फेसबुक एड. एंड फोर्थ पार्ट वाज अ स्केल अप. You don't need to make like 10,000, 20,000, 1 lakh rupees per month, right? We make millions of rupees. So how do you scale up and take your game from one level to next level? There is a different learning, like what's working, scale up, from marketing से लेके टीम से लेके टूल से लेके what you need to know that one. Automation है, बहुत सारा चीजें है. And fifth pillar I told you that is the invisible power, the foundation. The foundation in the sense your mindset, your health set, your body, your energy, your communication, personal development, your enthusiasm, your energy level, that matters because that will differentiate in your business industry. In AskDattaShow, High Performance Marketing Strategies and School, we are going to discuss all those strategies going forward. I'm planning at least 2 sessions per week, and another part I'm telling you this one, if you're watching on YouTube or Facebook, that's fine. You can stay tuned to my email communication or also stay on this group. See, besides that one, I will be doing 1 session with strategy, another session with question answer. आपके question हमारे answer. Me, my team, other expert can do. Come live. You can come on the show every like I will be giving around like Friday and Tuesday night. I will be doing all those parts. So now, are you ready for the doing the Sri Ganesha of your business growth? दोस्तों, last couple of years, I mean one and a half year due to this pandemic or situations, so many business has suffered. Business entrepreneurs, working professional, they have had a big impact in their business. But now we can do the Sri Ganesha. If you're watching on this like Facebook live, you can say in the comment box you are ready for this Sri Ganesha. Sri Ganesha, because all about like involvement. Dosto, we have to play the game. And when you can play the game, if you become part of team, only watching videos, you might be watching my video right now. But if you don't react, don't implement, don't respond, or at least don't take the action, nothing will change. To bring that change, we have to implement. See which button you need to push. आपको कौन सा बटन पुश करना है आपके बिजनेस के अंदर. सेल्स एंड मार्केटिंग में है, कन्वर्जन में है, ग्रोथ में है, ऑटोमेशन में है, फाउंडेशन में है. That you can look after that one. Come in the show, become a part of my live coaching programs, check my emails, keep replying and raise your hand if you need a lot of helps. Beyond these groups, take massive action. धन्यवाद. Signing off for today दोस्तों. Happy Ganpati Bappa to all of you and grow your business by 10x. धन्यवाद. Stay tuned, and if you have registered for my upcoming session, be there. If you miss, attend again. धन्यवाद.